Want to set the recording. There we go. Alright, welcome to Cardboxbreak.com, and today we're here to do a 2011 Topps Triple Threads box break on February 8th, 2012. I'm going to run through the sell sheet. We have Danielle W. with Carolina. Welcome back, Danielle. Cincinnati Bengals, John M., a newbie to the site, so welcome, John. Thanks for joining. Team Pack 1, Alan P. Team Pack 2, Cass E. Team Pack 3, Billy B. Team Pack 4, John M. again. And up on the second column, we have Jason L. Welcome back, Jason. Team Pack 5, Alan P. 6. Danielle W. 7. Alan P. again, 8. David R. Welcome back, David, 9. And John M. again, scooping up Team Pack 10. And like everybody knows, except for maybe the newbie, I don't know if you've watched the videos yet, but I do just take a regular plain old decoy and put it down on the ground. It gives me something to put the cards on, makes them easier to pick up off the desk. And we're going to look at the serial number, which it's in a tough place because of the fold here. Wow, that's going to be real tough. And that ends in 3819. Definitely can see the 19, but there we go. 3819 on the serial number. And here we go. Really love the hits in Topps Triple Threads. Got our 2 mini boxes, which they're not going to stand up at the moment. And we got our empty box there. And we'll go with this one. And first mini box. And just bring the 2 from the front, the 2 from the back up to the front, save the hits for last. Alright, first card is going to be Javid Best. That is a green. Javid Best for the Detroit Lions, and that is going to be serial numbered. Wow. Tough spot. These always have tough spots. Wow. Is that his jersey number? It is. Right off the bat. 44 out of 250. So we got a jersey number hit for the Detroit Lions. And that's going to be Team Pack 8, Alan P. With the Javid Best. So for a base card, not a bad start going with a serial number of the jersey. So next card for the Colts, Reggie Wayne. And this is going to be serial numbered. I think the best way to do it is this way. See if I can get out of my light. Come on, focus. Focus. 238 out of 999. 238 out of 999 for Reggie Wayne. And that's the Colts. That's going to David R. Next up, we have another Lion, Matt Stafford, the base variety. And this is going to be serial numbered. 624 out of 999. Looks like the serial number is almost like going up the card. But it's pretty level looking at it. Maybe the last 9 is a little higher. Matt Stafford, Detroit Lions, going to Alan P. again. Next card is going to be for the Saints, Marquise Colston. And that is going to be serial numbered 776 out of 999. So for the Saints, that's our newbie, John M. The Saints. And next card, not bad for a low-numbered parallel. We have an Aaron Rodgers, red. So that is numbered out of 25. And that is going to be number 20 out of 25. So you can see the 25, and then right where that is, that's a 20. So nice red Aaron Rodgers. That's Green Bay. So that's going to Danielle W. So not a bad base hit. Let's see what we got here. Let's do the bottom one first. And first hit, gonna be for the St. Louis Rams. It's an Austin Pettis jersey. And that's going to be serial numbered 13 out of 36. Austin Pettis. Player worn jersey, and that's Rams in Team Pack 1, Alan P. So Alan's been on fire. And the next hit is going to be Alan P again. For the New England Patriots, we have a Shane Vereen. I believe this is the base rookie auto. And that's going to be serial numbered 71 out of 99. 71 out of 99 for the Shane Vereen rookie auto. So, congratulations, Alan. So one pack down. This one felt a little heavier. I'm hoping it's something bigger, but I don't know. It's hard to tell with these by weight. Not as thick as I hoped. All right, mini box number 2. We need something big. We need something big. And we're gonna pull the 2 base up. And first up, Mark Sanchez for the New York Jets. It's going to go to Alan P, Team Pack 8, and that is serial numbered 69 out of 250 for Sanchez. Following that, for Green Bay, Greg Jennings, and that's going to be serial numbered 332 out of 999. 332 out of 999. And that again is going to Danielle W. After that, we got a Bronco, Noshawn Marino, serial numbered 220 out of 999 for the Broncos. It's going to John M. After that, we have a Tennessee Titans, Matt Hasselbeck. And that is serial numbered 11 out of 999. So Titans, that's going to be Billy B. Last spot scooped. And the next card, Green Bay getting all the base. Brett Favre for the Green Bay Packers. And this one is going to be serial numbered 32 out of 300. And the top left corner has like a little tiny white to it. Just wanted to point it out. Nothing major at all. And from what I've seen, pretty typical on a lot of the triple threads on they're packaged. Okay, on to the 2 hits. First card. It's going to be for the Chicago Bears, Jay Cutler. and that's going to be numbered 28 out of 36. Out of 36 for Jay Cutler, Chicago Bears. It's going to go to John M., newbie to the site, so congratulations there. And the hit for this pack is going to be a low-numbered hit for the Jets. Sean Green, jersey auto. And that's serial numbered 3 of 10. So a nice low numbered hit there. And again, Alan P. is walking away with the Sean Green auto, numbered 3 of 10. So not a bad low numbered hit. I always like seeing veteran autos. Okay, probably not the best box, but definitely hoping for something better coming out of the next one. I think we're going to change it up. We'll change up our luck. We'll put up a plates and patches box next. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do 1 plates and patches and 1 triple threads up at the same time. So I'm going to put those spots up right after I close out this break. It'll probably give me maybe 10 minutes. So look around 9:30ish at the latest. I should have spots up for a plates and patches and a triple threads box, and we'll just break them as they sell out, but let you have the choice, or if you want the same teams in both, you can feel free to do that. So thanks again for joining here, and as you know, I do really fast shipping, so I will send these out as early as tomorrow, and hopefully get there by the end of the week for somebody, and maybe Monday for some of the West Coast people. So thanks again for joining, and I'll see you next time.